Ever tried movie night on a tiny screen? Or struggled to set up a bulky projector? I used to deal with washed-out colors and fuzzy images. Finding the right angle was always a pain. But then I found the Hisense Laser Mini Projector C2. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. This little device changed my entire viewing experience. First off, it's super portable. Take it anywhere. Set it up in your living room or backyard. No hassle. The gimbal design lets you swing it 360 degrees horizontally and 180 degrees vertically, project on the wall or even the ceiling. No more awkward stacking of books for the right angle. Let's talk about picture quality. This is where it shines. With triple color laser technology, colors just pop. It covers 110% of the BT 2020 color gamut. That means rich, vivid, and accurate colors every time. Even subtle shades look stunningly real. 4K resolution brings everything into sharp focus. Old movies, home videos, or live TV, everything looks better. Thanks to 4K AI upscaling, classics get a modern upgrade. Dolby Vision support adds incredible contrast and detail. Dark scenes stay deep, highlights stay bright. You get 2000 ANSI lumens of brightness. So, whether it's day or night, the image stays vibrant. No more squinting at dull projections. The projection size is totally adjustable. Go from a cozy 65 inches up to a massive 300 inches. Host a movie marathon for friends or enjoy a solo night in. Setting up is a breeze with auto keystone correction. No more fiddling with angles or blurry corners. Autofocus keeps everything crisp, even if you move it. Just point, power on, and watch the magic happen. Sound is powered by JBL, so it's not just about visuals. You get clear, immersive audio that fills the room. Perfect for movies, music, or even presentations. Gamers, you're going to love this part. HSR 240 ensures ultra-smooth, lag-free gaming. Fast action scenes stay sharp and responsive. No stutters, no blurs, just pure gameplay. I even use it for work presentations. It's so easy to carry and set up anywhere. Transform any space into your own private theater, or turn a backyard wall into a giant gaming screen. The gimbal design means flexible placement every time. No need to rearrange your furniture. Just swing it to your perfect angle. Colors stay true, even on different surfaces. The triple laser light source is truly next level. It uses 28 powerful laser chips for superior depth. Every scene looks like a masterpiece. From animated films to live sports, it's all crystal clear. And with a native contrast ratio of 1700:1, you see every detail, even in the darkest scenes. Dolby Vision pulls you right into the action. I love how easy it is to switch between uses. Movie night, gaming session, or a work meeting. The C2 adapts instantly to your needs. No complicated menus or settings to fuss over. Just seamless, high-quality entertainment. The auto features really save time and effort. No more manual adjustments or blurry edges. It's all about enjoying the moment. And the sound by JBL? It's rich and powerful. You don't need extra speakers for a full experience. Everything you need is built right in. Whether you're a movie buff, gamer, or presenter, this projector fits perfectly into your lifestyle. It's compact, flexible, and incredibly easy to use. Ready to upgrade your entertainment setup? Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Try the Hisense Laser Mini Projector C2 today. Bring the big screen home, anywhere, anytime.